it's Chelsea Miller, and my husband and I are loving his new 3D printer. It is making something right now. We've made so many things, as you can see here. There are so many templates you can get online.
Yeah, from here you can actually connect a USB port with different files that you download, and you can load them in, and it's as simple as picking the file you want and then just hitting the print button, and then it just does what it's gonna do.
And honestly, my husband and my daughter have had so much bonding over this 3D printer. Every day he surprises her, or they pick up a template out together, from Princess Aurora crown, little things that she can use in her Barbie house or her doll house. It's very affordable to make all the different items. And a lot of the items I like for him to make are functional, like this comb here to get hair out of the brush. So he likes to make little items for himself too. He loves Maserati. Highly recommend this high quality 3D printer. Definitely check it out, and thanks for watching. Bye.